Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions. It actually does your work for you. Claude Cowork lets you point it at your files, tell it what you want done, and watch it organize, automate, and deliver results while you focus on bigger ideas. This is your digital coworker. Here's where Claude Cowork becomes incredibly practical. Click the plus button, go to Connectors, and select Microsoft 365 to connect your Outlook inbox. In seconds, Claude is securely linked and ready to search your email. Now I just prompt, find my recent receipts in Outlook. Claude searches my inbox in real time, scans through the emails, and identifies anything that looks like a receipt. Within seconds, it finds my WordPress and X.com receipt. Hit that subscribe button to help support the channel and for more in-depth Claude videos like this. Claude Cowork is a new feature inside the Claude desktop app that brings agentic AI to your everyday work. It's not just a chatbot. It reads your files, takes action, and completes tasks like organizing folders, building spreadsheets, and writing reports. Watch as I give Claude access to my desktop folder. No more manually entering in receipt information into a spreadsheet. Give Claude access to your invoice folder and have it automatically analyze the receipts and record the data into Excel. Once we give Claude access to the folder, we simply prompt it to organize the receipts and enter the data into Invoice's Excel file based on the columns in the workbook. Now watch as Claude scans the files, breaks down the task, and gives us a progress update before taking action. Within seconds, Claude has entered all 5 receipts into the spreadsheet, recording the vendor, date, invoice number, and description for each one. And the best part? Claude matched each field to the correct column in your workbook without any extra instructions. Now let's talk plugins. These are pre-built packages that connect Claude to your tools and tailor it to your workflow. Click the plus button, select plugins, then hit Add Plugins to browse the full library. From here, you can customize Claude with custom skills, commands, and even agents tailored to your specific workflow such as finance and legal. In the next section, we will show how to use commands and skills within the plugin library. Let's see this in action. I've installed the Finance plugin, which comes with a journal entry command built right in. When I run it, Claude walks me through preparing a journal entry step by step, helping with account classification, debits, credits, and descriptions. For anyone in accounting or finance, this is a game changer. To get started, type the / key on your keyboard right in the prompt box. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Finance, then choose the Journal Entry command. Claude takes it from there and walks you through the entire journal entry preparation process. Watch as Claude creates an Excel workbook and prepares the journal entries based on the same receipts we worked with earlier in the video. It pulls the vendor, dates, and amounts directly from our data and formats everything into a clean, professional journal entry. Now that we've seen what commands can do, let's take it a step further and create our own custom skill. So what exactly is a skill? It's simpler than you might think. A skill is just a folder with a skill.md file inside it, made up of a name, description, and a set of instructions. And here's the easy part. You can create a custom skill just by prompting Claude with something as simple as, I want to create a skill to generate a report of all my receipts, and Claude builds it for you. Claude will start by asking you a few questions to better understand your skill. Things like the output format you need, what information to include, the type of data you're working with, and any date ranges to consider. Once it has what it needs, Claude gets to work. You'll see a progress bar showing every step along the way. From creating the plugin directory structure to writing the skill.md file, all the way through to validating the final package, Claude handles it all. Once it's done, you'll see the final output right on your screen. A clean set of folders along with a readme.md file that explains the skill in detail and documents every component. You now have a fully packaged, reusable skill that you can run anytime or even share with your team. Now let's put our new skill to the test. Click the plus button, select plugins, and you'll see our receipt report skill right there in the list. Select it, and just like that, Claude runs our custom skill and generates a complete report from our receipts, from raw files to a finished deliverable in seconds. That's the power of Claude Cowork. It doesn't just answer questions, it gets the work done. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with how you're planning to use Cowork, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.